fam, Shalea here, Shalea Nicole. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I need you to go ahead and click that button right now. Help me boost my channel up. I know I've been on a hiatus from YouTube, social media. You haven't seen too much of me, but I'm getting my life together and I'm ready to come back and give you guys some interesting content. Alright, so recently the Main Choice launched a new collection. I was all over it and I was so glad. I mean, the collection dropped at 1 o'clock my time, 1:02. I had my confirmation notice, okay? It is the Do It For The Culture line. It came with this great promo that tells you what all the products do. And then, oh, this box was so heavy. I was so excited. It came in this great packaging. So classic, retro. I mean, I absolutely loved it. And then when you opened it up, look at what was inside. The whole 6-piece collection. I mean, look at it. I immediately went and tried all of the products, and that's what I'm wearing in my hair right now. As you can see, my hair is mostly dry actually, and it still looks wet. I mean, it is just a wonderful product line. It worked absolutely perfect for my hair. If you're not following the Main Choice or have no idea what their products are, you are missing out. So if you want to see how I achieved this great hair look on my tapered cut, stay tuned.
As you can see, my hair is definitely afro textured. This is my hair without product, fresh out of the shower. Beginning with the powerful shampoo, it gently and effectively removes impurities and purifies the hair and scalp, removes buildup to enhance vibrancy and volume. It delivers the perfect balance of definition and volume and leaves the hair feeling soft and tangle-free. As you can see, I started at the roots of my hair and massaged the product gently into my scalp for a refreshing, clean feel. For conditioner, I had a choice between Courageous Conditioner or the Magnificent Mask. The Courageous Conditioner locks in moisture while absorbing impurities and is infused with tons of slip to help detangle and remove knots. The Magnificent Miracle Mask brings afro-textured hair back to life. It is rich in nutrients to restore and deeply nourish the hair and helps to hydrate and strengthen from the inside out. As you can see, both products are a very thick consistency. I decided to blend them together because I needed the benefits of both products. If you haven't noticed, I'm a lazy natural. So I didn't part or section my hair. I didn't even use a comb to detangle. I use my fingers. And all I'm doing is massaging the product from root to tip, concentrating on the ends where my hair is the most dry. Now that I'm over here looking like Miss Sealy, it's time to deep condition. Didn't I tell you I was a lazy natural? The good old plastic bag. Who needs shower caps? Now pulling out my Layla Ali hairdryer, which I must say is very convenient and portable. I'm just going to sit up under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes to let my hair deep condition. I know, I should have used a t-shirt or a softer fiber to dry my hair, but anyways, moving on to the accomplished leave-in conditioner, it infuses strands with essential nutrients, add lasting moisture and shine, and is gentle enough for daily use. My hair loves thick products, so I was very pleased with the consistency of this leave-in. I'm going to apply this product generously and distribute it as evenly as possible from roots to ends. Again, I'm not using combs or a detangler, so I'm using my fingers, and I'm pleased to say that my hair is not tangled up. Now moving on to styling, I'm grabbing the Bold Buttery Gel. It claims to nourish and moisturize like a butter, but control like a gel. I'm interested to see how this will turn out. This gel has a lightweight consistency, and it's not sticky at all. And I found out that a little bit really does go a long way. Do you see that definition coming? and it's already shining. I think I might love this. Again, using my fingers as my styling tools, I'm just going to section my hair and apply the product from roots to ends. The rich, light, buttery texture provides soft hold and shine. It softens, moisturizes, and tames frizz, and it promotes a natural, healthy shine. It fortifies hair to improve elasticity, and it's gentle enough for everyday use. And it's not a wash and go if you can't shake it out. Look at that definition. Go, girl. I am smiling so hard. You have no idea how it feels to have a great hair day and to have products that you use for the first time that you actually fall in love with. This collection was definitely made for me. Finishing off with the sophisticated Sheen spray, it adds a brilliant shine to finished styles, it enhances texture, and reduces frizz. It's lightweight and non-greasy. You can spray it directly in your hair, or it also works if you spray it in your hand and massage it into your scalp. Look at that smile. Look at that hair. Yes, honey. I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you soon.